Okay, I just got the coolest thing, which is these scrapbook.com project trays and bins. So this is for like a whole project. And then the cool thing about it is I did order some extra large size trays, but they're actually the same size as the covers. So now I have a bunch of trays that I can use for all the different little projects I have. But some of my projects won't fit in a little tray like that. So I got these two bins. I'm going to go over to my craft desk and show you how I'm going to organize my very first bin or tray. So we're over here in my craft room, and I'm doing a little project where I'm making all kinds of these paper dolls with distress. I'm coloring them with distress, and I'm partway through. Like, I don't like this one. I have some other things I want to do with them. And so I have those new trays and bins that I can use from scrapbook.com, which is super exciting. So the first thing that you might want to do is you could just put these in the little trays, and the little trays are super affordable. And then watch, they stack. There's a little lip here. So if I wanted to just put this over to the side, I could even fit in my markers that I'm using, my paintbrush that I'm using. I don't know if that'll fit. Let's try it. But it's got a pointy uppy. It fits! Okay, so I was thinking I would need a project bin for this, but it looks like I could fit that entire project in there and then just have it in a stack and not have to worry about it. Now, what I could also do is put the embossing glazes that I'm still using and set this aside somewhere, and it's not going to get all messed up in my craft room. That being said, sometimes I do have a bigger project, and I want to just kind of, like, I'm done with this project for today, right? But I want to be able to jump right back into it without having to go back and gather everything that's about it. And so to me, it feels like if I were to do this instead of this and put this stuff on top of here, I could then have a little project bin I put off to the side. When I'm ready to go, I can just pull it out, get my stuff ready to go, and start again. And that is why I thought this was brilliant. I don't have the time or the inclination, honestly, to start a project, finish it completely all the way through, and be totally done. But with this kind of system where you can have, you know, a tray underneath, you can have all the big supplies that you need in one area, I could have two big projects going, or a ton of, like, say I did, most times I would just leave these out over here. I don't know if you could see that, but just leave those out over here. I could have now, I think it's 8 projects going at the same time, because I got the set of 6 large flat trays, and then 2 of these storage containers. So I'll put the information about these down below. I think it's totally worth it. I love this concept, and I'm super excited. It's super affordable too. This is a really good way to keep all your projects corralled and keep you on track. Hopefully that helps. Tara Jacobson, Artsy Fartsy Life.